Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect GoHighLevel to HubSpot using Zapier. If you want your leads, contacts, or deals to flow between these powerful platforms automatically, saving you tons of manual work, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up a seamless integration, keeping all your business tools in sync, even if you're not a tech expert. Let's jump right in. First, we'll start by heading over to Zapier.com in your web browser. Zapier is the magic connector for hundreds of different apps, and it's the tool that will bridge GoHighLevel and HubSpot for you. There's no coding required, just a few clicks. If you don't already have a Zapier account, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a minute, and you can start with their free tier if you're just getting started. Once you're in, look for a button labeled Create. It's usually at the top or the side of your dashboard, in bright, inviting colors. Click on Create, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Now choose Zap. What's a Zap? Think of it as a recipe or automation flow. It's a simple set of instructions that tell Zapier, whenever something happens in this app, do this over in that app. For us, that means if something updates in HubSpot, we want Zapier to send that through to GoHighLevel, or vice versa. Next up, you'll see a search bar that lets you choose the apps you want to connect. Type in HubSpot to GoHighLevel. As you type, Zapier will start to suggest possible connections and triggers. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the options to generate. So don't worry if you have to wait a moment. The platform is just fetching all the possible automations that can link these two services based on what's available. Take a breath here. If you don't see what you need right away, try adjusting your search terms or look for HubSpot as the trigger and GoHighLevel as the action. That just means setting up so, for example, whenever a new contact is added to HubSpot, it gets sent over to your GoHighLevel CRM automatically. At this step, you can also make your connection more specific, depending on what your workflow requires. Maybe you only want to transfer leads from a certain HubSpot campaign, or you want new tasks from GoHighLevel to be logged in HubSpot. Zapier lets you customize these triggers and actions so you're automating exactly what matters most in your business. So, take a minute here to think about your own needs. It's like setting up a smart assistant to do your busy work just the way you want. Now, to complete the connection, you will need to log into both your HubSpot and GoHighLevel accounts through the Zapier interface. Don't worry, Zapier uses secure authentication so your data is safe. Sometimes, you may need to approve permissions or grant access for Zapier to fetch updates from your accounts. Just follow the prompts. They're straightforward and usually just a click or two. And that's it. Once you see everything connected in Zapier, your automation is ready to go. From now on, info will flow right where you need it, with no manual copy-pasting or switching between tabs. It's one of those small setups that can save you hours each week and help you focus on more important things. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up below. Let me know in the comments if you run into any snags or if you have a different workflow you want to automate. I'm here to help. And if you want more simple tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.